People are looking for answers when caring for their lawns, ideally with speed and even comfort. Designing Spaces is tagging along with Kubota reps Bo Woodbury and Tom Vockel on their visit to Casheta Farms in Apopka, Florida.
We wake up about 4 o'clock in the morning, start with taking care of our dogs. We come outside and move down to our horses. We feed all the horses, we feed all the chickens, clean out their pens, we clean out the horses' paddocks.
I train the horses, and then after the horses are done with their training, I move on to our garden work while he's out mowing or taking care of other points on our property.
The pride that Kubota takes in providing products for the hardworking Americans across the country is very, very important to all of us.
Our equipment is designed and engineered specifically for completing the tasks at hand for our customers. We want to assist them in doing the best job that they can for that true DIY lifestyle.
The do-it-yourself lifestyle is one of the most rewarding lifestyles that you can have because nobody else is doing it for you. We're growing together and we're growing with the things around us. And when we do it ourselves, we have a lot more pride in it.
Since Kubota's introduction into the U.S. compact tractor market in 1972, the drive to find solutions for their customers continues 50 years later.
So Kubota has a wide range of equipment depending on what the task at hand is. We have compact tractors, we have excavators, we have turf products, we have RTVs. So depending on what the job needs, we have the right piece of equipment that can satisfy that task.
A lot of the products that Kubota designs and delivers are available for property owners like Nick and Caitlin.
Here at our farm, we have 4 acres. We use a wide variety of equipment to take care of the operations that we have here. The operations include mowing, moving manure, moving compost, hay, and shavings.
Well, we need something that's smooth, something that's easy to operate, and something that can handle not just the big stuff that we do, but also the small, detailed items.
Kubota does a lot of research and development to develop the future products that we're going to bring to the customers.
We're all about finding solutions, right? Solutions are the key to making it easier for our customers and finding that equipment and what needs to change or be developed to help fit that task at hand. The BX series is designed for that small chassis to really get into tight areas and be able to really be that jack of all trades type of machine.
So here at the farm, we use a tractor for a multitude of different operations. One of the things I love about it the most is the ease that it has of taking on and off the attachments, including the front loader. And then we can go right into the mowing deck. I mean, it's so clean when it mows. Its turning radius is really narrow. So it's so versatile and it makes everything more efficient on our property.
Well, it's important for us because we have a lot of things we have to get done on the farm.
There's only so much time in the day.
That's right.
The BX is a subcompact tractor. So by its very nature, the essence of what makes it great is its subcompact size in order to really get into those tight, nimble areas and be a machine that can accomplish a wide variety of tasks. Whether that be loader work, as you can see here with our Swift Hatch loader. You have the mid-mount mower, so you can mow with this. You also have a wide range of performance match implements through Land Pride to accomplish whatever task that you might need. The BX series is the top-selling subcompact tractor in the United States for over the last decade as well.
This Z400 zero-turn mower is a great piece for the small estate. It really has the power to deliver and perform and do all the things that they're trying to do around their property. The 3-spindle deck really delivers that cut quality that our customer expects. Kubota has a very strong dealer base. We have more than 1,100 dealers across the USA.
The serviceability of the equipment through our local dealer is magnificent.
So this year is a really exciting year for us here at Kubota. 2022 marks the 50th anniversary for Kubota here in the United States.
We're very proud to be part of that, and we've been doing a lot of different things throughout Kubota with the 50th anniversary.
And we really look forward to the next 50 years.
So the thing about Kubota that's so phenomenal that not any other brand really offers is the fact that they grow with you and you can grow with them. So when I say Kubota is our family, they are our family.
They really are.
To learn more about Kubota solutions for your home, visit KubotaUSA.com or visit us at designingspaces.tv for more information.